Imagine waking up one day to find out you only have 24 hours to do whatever you ever wanted to do. Seems impossible, right? But that's the reality we face every single day. We only have 24 hours, but some people achieve more than others in the same time. What's the secret? It's time management. Today, I will be talking about how time management is crucial in our daily lives, how it can help us to achieve our goals, and few simple strategies to get started with. By the end of this video, I hope you walk away with a greater appreciation of time and how you can make the most of it. Time is the most valuable resource we have. It is the one thing we cannot get back once it's gone. Good time management helps us to be more productive, reduces stress, and provides a sense of control over our lives. For example, have you ever noticed the people who manages their time well seems to have more time for leisure activities? That's because they have learned to prioritize and focus on what truly matters. When we don't manage our time effectively, we end up procrastinating, missing deadlines, and feeling overwhelmed. This can lead to burnout and lack of progress towards our goal. Ask yourself, how many times you have wished that you had one extra hour to finish your task? If you manage your time better, you might not need that extra hour. So here are 3 strategies to help you manage your time effectively. First, prioritize your task. Focus on what's important and urgent first. Second, set clear goals. Know what you want to achieve in each day, week, or month. Third, avoid distractions. Know what distracts you the most and eliminate when you are working. Lastly, time management is not about getting more done. It is about making sure that you do what truly matters. Prioritizing tasks, setting goals, and avoiding distractions can help you to make most out of the limited time you have. So the next time you find yourself wishing for more hours in a day, remember that you have all the time that you need. You just need to manage it wisely. And I promise, with better time management, you won't have to set 5 alarms to wake up on time.